So many people injured in a car accident miss out on necessary treatment and compensation because they believe having a compensation lawyer will cost too much. This is not true, and I'm going to run through some quick tips to help you get a car accident lawyer to manage your claim for free. As we all know, car accidents can occur in the blink of an eye and turn your life and potentially the lives of those closest to you upside down. During this time, it's imperative that you focus on your recovery and getting the necessary treatment to help get your life back on track. But this can be so difficult when trying to navigate the complicated CTP claims process on your own. The good news is, getting a car accident lawyer to manage your claim for free is certainly possible, and here's how. First off, under the New South Wales CTP statutory scheme, lawyers' fees are regulated. If you have a dispute with the insurer about your weekly payments, you can hire a lawyer to represent you, and their fees are regulated by the government to be paid by the insurer, meaning you don't pay a cent. So for this purpose, it's certainly beneficial to have a specialist on your side. Most client-first firms fund your claim. Often, medical evidence is essential to winning your claim, and the insurer does reimburse the cost of things like medical reports up to $1,600. But this takes time, and you'll be out of pocket waiting for reimbursement if you ran the case on your own. However, most client-first firms, like here at Law Partners, pay for these expenses up front and seek reimbursement from the insurer at the end of the case, meaning you'll never be out of pocket. Finally, you won't pay any lawyer fees on lump sum payouts of $75,000 or less. When seeking a lump sum payout for damages towards the end of your claim, according to the regulations, if your claim results in a lump sum payout of $75,000 or less, the insurer will be required to cover all your legal fees, meaning you won't pay a cent. If your payout is greater than $75,000, you might be required to pay some legal fees. However, the first $75,000 is still protected and fee-free, meaning you may only have to pay legal fees on the sum above $75,000. How your lawyer calculates the legal fees above $75,000 should be set out in a cost agreement that's shown to you before you hire them. That's why it's important to understand these documents at the start so you're not caught by surprise at the end. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about CTP compensation or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist CTP lawyers today.